Good morning traders. Today is 29th October, Tuesday. Now it's 8:30 a.m. So here you can see this is a trade going on, which we have took at 60,000, 68,096. So and the target was 71,500, as you can see here. So it's 5.11% target is there, and this trade was analyzed on Saturday itself. And we took a trade on Friday here, and we got a stop loss hit at this level. And at that time I have analyzed that if market succeed in breaking out 68,000 above level, we will go long, or it is succeeds if breaking down below 66,500, we will go short when market was here at this point, Saturday 6:30 p.m. But market didn't move downside, it went above, as you can see now, and it succeeded in breaking out this 168,000, and the trade is running, and we are almost about to touch our TP. So I'm feeling very joyous to tell you about this setup. Here neither we use any logic, please listen carefully to me. Neither we use any logics here nor any indicators. As you can see, the chart is so plain, so clean and tidy. We only use one highly, I don't say highly profitable, even I don't say highly consistent. Any system you can use, whatever the strategy you can say. Not every strategy gives you 100% profit. So it has a ratio like 60%, 70%. This strategy is almost 70 plus, and from which I am gaining a good amount of money. And I always trade on this setup like a swing only. So this is a swing setup where I got a one stop loss hit here, and again I waited for the confirmation of my system. So it gave here. About this one, it gave here, and I explained this also in my previous video. You can watch it, and the link is provided, and you can see in the iCard also above here, or if possible I can put PIP somewhere here. So this is the trade which I was talking since 3 to 4 days. It was a simple trade, no logics, nothing. You have to follow these three things which I always tell in my live sessions. The three things to follow is: take a trade, yes, we initiated trade here, yes, that's a one thing, first thing. Second, put SL and TP, yes, we did, we put SL here like a 2.7% SL, and profit here exactly 5% profit. And third one, shut down the mind. If this is done, then everything is done. We all take a trade, we all put stop loss and TP. See, the logic is 100% people take trade, 50% put stop loss, and 0%, yeah, you can say 1%, they shut down their mind. This 1% people only sustain in this market. They are the only achiever. They are the only, you can say, goat of the stock market. Whoever it may be, you can say there are lots of examples are there. They all comes under this category: shut down the mind after taking the trade and putting the TP and SL. So the taking the trade is not a heroic thing. Shut down the mind is the heroic warrior thing. You are a warrior, my friends. Trader is a warrior, not a gambler. Losses and profits are everywhere, not only in the stock market, it's everywhere, related to your education, related to the society, related to even in the relationships also. If you don't know to lose little bit fights in your relation, then that relation wouldn't sustain long. So you have to lose them, then only you will gain in your life. You will be an achiever in your relationship. The same thing goes with the stock market also. If you are achiever. If you want to be a successful in this stock market, then this is the highest priority which you have to give to the shut down the mind. Once it's done, then everything is yours. This is not a joke. Taking a 5% movement, this is not a joke, and giving only 1.1% SL. I gave 1.1% SL and I'm achieving 5% target. So this is not only one thing, it happened in the October. I can show you if I just scroll it to the left. So these are the trades which I initiated in October. You can see. So this was the trade which I took 3% loss, and this was a trade I gained 7.57% profit. Again, after the here also I analyzed and I told you, once it breaks out this one 66,500 level, your target would be this one 70,000 nearly. But market didn't go there, it reversed back. But according to my setup, yeah, I achieved a target. If you want to know about this one, please watch my reels and videos. You will get to know why I exited from exactly this point only, not here. So again, I took a trade here, but this was not a swing trade. This was a day trading, which I have a different setup. So this was a trade trading, this was a day trading, and this was a day trading. This has a different setup. Anyway, I got a stop loss hit once here, and again I profit, and again profit. So these are the this is there, no, this is the day trading and swing trading, both coincided here. So it was both. It gave me one day trading I was in profit, but in swing trading I got a hit here 1.16, as I written here only. On 25th October I got a SL hit on swing trade, and day trading achieved on 24th October here only. So after that we analyzed, and we analyze that market, how market can move, from where it can take a support, and at what the resistance level it can breach and fly off. So this was that level 68,000. Here we took a trade, and yeah, the market is running. So anyways, I don't want to drag the video long. If you want to learn something new, please join our YouTube channel. There you can come to know what are the things has to be done before taking a trade, and what are the first priority of yours before taking a profit. So anyways guys, please, if you're interested, please join the Bitcoin Future India Instagram. Also you can follow us there, and you can subscribe this channel as well, clicking the subscribe button below. Thank you. We will meet tonight at 7 p.m. Thank you so much.